Welcome to the Brighton Beach! Wow! There's a lot of seagulls there.
Bunch of crabs. Sabihin friends out there. Seagulls.
Ang ganda. Ang dami niyang mga bahay-bahay. Oh. Kita niyo ba yan? Ang cute. Ang colorful. Mali yung sapatos na nasuot natin. I mean sandal. Biglaan lang yung pagpunta namin dito eh. Ang init lang. Grabe init. Ang init mga films. It's too hot, babe. May barko doon. It's cold here.
You should have bring swimming costume.